Pilates, teacher training here in Devon and Somerset. And I'm going to take you through a yoga posture and break it down for you so that you can practice this at home. So this is a warrior one, a Virabhadrasana one. So it's also a lunge posture. Again, really good for leg strength, trying to build the muscles in the leg to support the knee, a good stretch of the back as well, and hip flexors. So from a stand position, you're just going to take a step back with that leg, and your rear foot wants to be, and I want to say 45 degrees, it wants to be, like I always think, towards the direction of the front corner of your mat. So if I'm facing there, the foot is going to be running directly into that position, and then your front leg is bent. So always making sure, let's talk about the front leg first, making sure that the ankle and the knee are in alignment with each other, and your knees are in line with your toes. So facing you, if I'm in that position, you want to try and stop that knee from rolling. So if you just engage these muscles in your legs there and just pull the knee out, the knee must stay above your ankle, okay? It's not a very deep posture, the warrior one, so, and it is again quite a balancy one. So like with the warrior two, if your balance is quite challenged, if you take your front foot to one edge of the mat and your back foot to the other edge, you have a little bit more space, which will help with your balance. So it's not like standing on a gymnastic beam, you have a little bit more wider stance. So coming back to there, your back heel should be on the floor, but especially if you wear high heels all the time, potentially your calves are going to be really tight. So it might be that your back heel comes off, but you want to try and send your weight down through the back leg. So warrior one, your hips are facing in the direction of your front foot. So they're not opening up, they want to be in that direction there. So I can already feel this down through my back calf. So there's not really much more for me to, I can't go much lower, because if I try and go lower, my heel's starting to lift, and then you're coming into more of a high lunge. So that foot slightly turned, heel down, whoops, hips forward, and then you can still think of tucking that tailbone under to stretch off the back there. And then your arms are going to come up towards the ceiling. So we're trying not to do this. So you want to pull your rib cage in, tuck the tailbone under, and just reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Now I haven't got the best shoulder flexibility, but you're trying to get your elbows behind the head without straining. So it's got to happen from the shoulder joint. Something I'm working on, so we don't all have perfect bodies and stuff. We have to work on these things. So this is your warrior one. You can, if your shoulders are hurting too much, just bring your hands down into Anjali Mudra. Or you can take your hands around the back for a little bit of a chest opener. So like I said, you can feel that right down through the back leg. So send your energy down through the back heel. The knee stays above the ankle. And like I said, it's quite a small posture in terms of, not going right down into a big lunge. So I can feel that bone in the back of my leg. So that is your warrior one, Virabhadrasana one. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel today. YouTube channel, and we'll be posting more videos breaking all of these warriors and some of the yoga postures down to make it more accessible for real people rather than elite gymnasts and stuff like that. So thank you for watching. Bye.